I gave our chef a leg cutting efficiency. The owner of the restaurant saw that he was unemployed because he didn't bring it to the cutting board. The whole dumpling stuffing is so labor-saving. Cutting peppers, ginger and garlic are not only cut quickly, but also come out thick and even. The cooking hammer in the hot hand becomes a grinder, minced ginger, minced green onion, some minced meat, etc. It can be done. It depends on how it is cleaned. Put some water in it. This one is self-cleaning. Don't sigh, your chef, hurry up. I really didn't expect that one day you don't even need a knife to cut vegetables. This electric vegetable cutter is also too advanced. You can also replace the function head. You need to open the cover and chop garlic and chili. It is very convenient to stir up diced meat and make baby cloves. Do it.